The fourth estate. I'm happy to join you today. You are all people that I know, that I worked with when I was a governor here for the last 10 years. So you don't need any introductions to me. So I'm going to give a short press statement, and if you allow me, I will, for ease of clarity, I'll go through that statement, and then I would ask one or two of my colleagues here. As you will see, I'm surrounded here by the Secretary General of the Contractors of Kisii, Hoffman. The chairman is also here. The chairman of Boda Boda is here. The great lady Josephine and Jane Justin and others are here. And there is a chairman who is shouting from the back. I don't know what he chairs. But ladies and gentlemen, just allow me to read the statement, and then I will ask them to say one or two words. And this statement is necessary because of the changing political times in this country, and the issues that are bound to happen in Kisii County itself. And as a Kisii leader, I felt that it's necessary for me to say a few words about this. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a while since we met. For me, I cherish every moment I shared with you for the 10 years I served as governor for Kisii County. You were and are still great people and very special to me. Indeed, my story is yours and vice versa. As you may know, I took a break after the end of my term, and I seized this opportunity to say a few things, more so times like this when the country is on a new trajectory under the leadership of President Dr. William Samoei Ruto. As a Kisii leader, I feel obliged to make a few remarks on matters affecting our community from time to time. Let me say the following. I congratulate my brother CS Ezekiel Machogu for being appointed to the education docket and for the good work he has done so far. He is up to the task and has made the Kisii community proud by serving all Kenyans with dignity. On the same note, I congratulate our sons and daughters who did well in the last KCSE exams. We are proud of you and wish you well in your endeavors. I thank the President, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, for deeming it right to give on Machogu an honor to serve in his cabinet. As Kisii community, we highly appreciate this, plus the many other appointments that may have been accorded to our brothers and sisters in various sectors of the current government. Ladies and gentlemen, as your former governor, I join our other leaders in welcoming the President to our Kisii region, Kisii and Nyamira, when he deems it necessary to visit, to commence and launch of development projects in our region. Like any other leader who has just left office recently, I am keen to hear and gladly support any commitment that will see the completion of various projects that need the attention of the President. Ladies and gentlemen, we therefore anticipate much of this visit. Previously and in the last few months, President William Samoei Ruto has visited various parts of the country and initiated development projects, lately being our neighboring Luo Nyanza. In some instances, we were present and we witnessed the President's generosity. In the same spirit, we welcome the President to our Kisii region and condemn any attempt to cause uneasiness and weeping emotions of our people with the aim of imagining that they can derail the visit. Kisii is ready and fully warmed for HE William Samoei Ruto, and no doubt any counter attempt will not be tolerated. Sadly, the people spearheading the generation of tension and chaos have in the past organized and encouraged their troops and people to receive the President in their region in a very organized manner. Actually, the President has therefore left a lot of goodies in their region, not to mention the many projects he has initiated. I therefore urge and plead with our leaders, people not to accept any shenanigans that are meant to paint our community as rebellious and to disadvantage our region from receiving the much planned development projects by President Ruto. I know this is the best time for us, Kisii, under the leadership of CS Machogu. We are destined for higher grounds. Finally, For those planning orchestrated rallies across the country and want to do the same in Kisii, and that's why I'm sitting here today, because they want to do, or they may want to do the same, have those rallies in Kisii. I urge you to reconsider your moves, accept that time for politicking is over, accept the presidency of H.E. William Samoei Ruto, and give him an opportunity to fulfill his contract with Kenyans. Particularly, the Kisii is interested with development projects that will address the needs of more than the 1.2 million people living within the diminishing land size. We have the highest concentration of people in this country, going up to 1,200 people per square kilometer of land, especially in Kisii County, which is probably the highest in this country. Indeed, they say that a metropolitan area only needs about 650 people to be called a metropolitan area. So you might even say that the whole of the county is actually a metropolitan area. Kenyans can now discern and separate wheat from the chaff. Not even the fake house arrests can deviate the attention of Kenyans who are looking forward to eased economic times by the current government. I thank you, fellow Kisii people, and urge that we ignore all those who want to derail our relationship with the current government and depict us as a rebellious community. As Kisii leaders, we say an emphatic no. And we are saying an emphatic no to any rallies in this county. And I'm urging, and that's why I'm urging the leader of Boda Boda and the other leaders of any of the youths of this county, that we have just finished elections. We have a government that's going to be in office for 5 years. The Kisii people need development. The time for politicking is completely over. And this may not be the right time. So, ladies and gentlemen, God bless our land, the Kisii land. And this is signed by me, clearly signed by me. I thank you very much. I would want to say something in Kisii. James Ongwae, nabe governor ga Kisii County for 10 years. Nchiona ritayo ntayombua, wono nkande ntimugete, na nchendo mwaka gwekenyoro. Kona arengo murai na no murai inonde koru Kisii County tinkorore ebintu na nchembe tinkwana. Gona kiekogera na achira rero okwana ekiagera na igwete ng'abantu mbale bagocha n'ekirali iga Kisii timaiti gosenga nkyo goseitukoki na nchengo teba ng'achirali ekyo uno Kisii estwaikire bono gantu akora chikura ntubwate emyaka 5 ne president yoito Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Emyaka 5 na birabe makongu sana toiso kutoka ng'Abakisii ntuo turamang'ana ekirali na Abakisii abe stwaika Abakisii otomenyete Kenya yonsi engima. Tore Kisii, tore Nairobi, tore Kajiado, tore Bogere, tore Western, tore Kitale, tore Nakuru. Igo tore everywhere in this country kiagera otura abantu abange. Igo ayinata eteko batebi na alinga ntuna Abakisii goika tobe yamo na ende nto baise kuanchira na mang'ana ekirali igaiga. Tiganga kere president mbiyamo ne sogo chora machogune CS yeito nere tomo amasikani. Esa abana bali ba minto baeta amatemu buya onko ba congratulations ncheno na arengo monebwa bali mu Kenya ngima igo ni maeta amang'ana amatemwa na amang'ana una abantu bakora amatemu nko ba congratulations. Nko babori abantu ba minto ngekere president era achega Kisii tomo welcome. Kiana agenda Bogere kera achoro na aro abagere ba mu welcome akaruora akaigubuya akabaye ebintu ebinge sana. Agatebe ebintu bago chikoego na intwe kerago chana into tomo welcome eliege na into tonyore ebintu bitu gaiga na Abakisii. Ikiara we are part of this country called Kenya. Igo ondebwensi ora achega ne chirali agototebi igoro ng'antu anchira no borai miaka yetane roro nto baise kwanja no borai bono turagende route yeyo ngakito we twanyora amagendero to yera abamangana makongusana nchebuno mwaka bwekenyorote tindo chinge inere boronge igonde bwensi orachega iga abana abaminto especially abamuraba bakene nyaroka chinke igonko basaba imo baise komochengera imo minyoka round mo gochengera ebinte bikera mochengera bone miaka 5 ngito twagendera igotigamba kerembiya mono na ende nkoba wish byo mwaka oyo umuyabu no chakire gatoro mutinyo kabere mutwara umwaka umuya 2023 biya mona bagusiba mintes mwaka. Thank you very much. Now
okay, members of the Fourth Estate, my able governor, the former Elvis Ongwae, who led us very well. We also have, my names are Mr. Hoffman Ondieki, the Secretary General of the Kisii County Contractors Association. We are here, all of us, in solidarity with our governor. Swali tunataka kuuliza ni swali, a very simple question, because we want to be very brief. Wakati tuliona His Excellency, the President, because the President that we have in this republic is William Samoei Ruto. When he went to Nyanza, the Right Honorable told all the members of Parliament from that area to go and welcome him. Just like our brother said, he gave them good development in that side. But unfortunately, he has decided that he's coming to Kisii. Sasa Kisii tumeanza kuwekwa maandamano. Mimi naomba tafadhali, on behalf of the contractors, we are not ready to be part of the team that is coming here tomorrow. What we are urging, we want our contractors to be paid. We want the president to come so that we can talk to him, tumwelezee maneno yetu, because we want our kids to go to school. Such simple. Sasa nataka niite chairman wangu Kennedy Nyakundi Mariera pia azungumze kidogo. Aseke gusina ngoteba iga. Eturamo no mugabano ito Elvis Ongwae, the former governor Elvis Ongwae, gokana any rally egocha Kisii nga intunto liko chikoba part of it, because chinse mochinde chia abantu ba minto gaiga mate bogere mo prime minister atebeti abantu ba mwabons biba kagenda baka welcome president ikaba magendero gali na into what we want tuatiga ile maega sa magendero mugabana na akolete gasi yae magendero na ratiga lete maega that needs the intervention of the president. So etokote bana ba minto bons pimutigale nyomba igasi nerengia murakole kubwa kominyoka para tuarosire what we want the president of the Republic of Kenya William Samoei Ruto for 5 years baganya 5 years onya tukoboro nya sai karabo na hande batene mbia mono nya saba sisini.
Introduce yourself.
Thank you, members of the Fourth Estate. Injenkoro ku Kennedy Nyakundi Mariera ni chomo chairman of contractors Kisii County, the only chairman ya contractors. Tigangna nege mbiyamono asibano mambia our former governor His Excellency Elvis Ongwae. We want to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya Omosike William Samoei Ruto nere tuachorete mnaba Kenya naande intuto koma welcome kirawo jagusi acha karemete naande toko mwakira ngambi yamono asoko chore CSA ito omogaka macho Ezekiel kobe Minister of Education iga bantu ba minto bonsi pibagusi engi mananyamira ntu abagusi tamanyete kirase goto gosabanya sae amangana maandamano abangire gose mambia bono iga maandamano tatakeri Kenya igento tatakeri Kenya negasi yo muntu okonyakora William Samoei Ruto mbiyamana my friends.
Fred Ndiwa Nunda, Chairman of Bosongo Bodaboda Riders Association Kisii County. Sisi kama wana bodaboda tunataka kusema hivi. Tunajua president ni mmoja katika Kenya hii. Na sisi kama wana bodaboda wa Kisii County tumechibanga. Tunaongoja siku ile president atakuja tumkaribishe. Hatuko tiyale maneno ya maandamano. Maandamano kama Raila Amolo Odinga anataka maandamano aanze kutoka nyumbani huko kwake. Sisi tunaomba hivi. Mzee Raila Amolo Odinga, serikali yenye iko ni mpya. Uipe muda ifanye kazi kwa hii miaka 5. Uongoje mpaka 2027 ukuje kutafuta kiti ya upresident. Lakini kwa sahi president wetu tunamkaribisha Kisii ambaye ni William Samoei Ruto, na sisi tunasema ni asante kwa sababu alipea CS wetu kazi ambaye ni Ezekiel Machogu. Na sisi wote wa Kisii County and Nyamira tuko nyuma ya Ezekiel Machogu na wale viongozi wengine walichaguliwa na serikali ya UDA. So mimi naomba watu wetu wote wa Kisii County tuongoje ile siku president atakuja, tupange, tumkaribishe. Hii maneno ya maandamano sisi hatuko tayari. Maneno ya maandamano kura siriisha 2022, saa hii tunaangalia maneno ya development. Thank you.
Mimi ni mmoja wa wananchi wa Kisii County. Nataka kuunga mkono.
Umekuwa nini?
Mimi nimekuwa kiongozi katika hii kaunti yetu, gatuzi ya Kisii. Nimekuwa kama MCA wa hii kaunti, na nataka kusema ya kwamba ninaelewa shida za mtu wetu wa Kisii, hasa mama. Na ndiposa waandishi wa habari, nataka kusema ya kwamba sisi kama wamama wa Kisii, nataka niongee kwa niaba yao, hasa wale wamama tumekuwa na wao wafanya biashara na wale wanajitafutia katika kaunti hii yetu ya Kisii. Nasema ya kwamba wa Kisii sisi kama wamama ni very hard working, na sisi ndio tunaweka chakula kwa meza. Nataka kusema vile wengine wamesema, siasa imeisha. Na vile siasa imeisha, sasa tunataka tuungane pamoja kama Kisii, tuweke vichwa pamoja, tutafute ili tupate kutafutia jamii yetu, ili jamii yetu iende mbele. Jambo lingine nilitaka kuongea ni kwamba tunataka kushukuru rais wetu, His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, kwa kumpa nafasi PS wetu Machogu, kwa kumpa hiyo nafasi katika Ministry ya Education ili apate kutumikia Wakenya wote. Tunamshukuru kabisa, na tunasema kwamba aendelee kupatia watu wetu wa Kisii nafasi ili wapate kufanya kazi katika serikali yake. Na wale wanataka kufanya mpango wa kuja Kisii ili kuvuruga na kufanya chochote, nataka kusema sisi we are a peace loving community, na sisi ni watu tunapendana. Kwa hakika wa Kisii tunapendana, and we are very hard working, tunapenda kusaidiana. Tunataka tuseme ule anataka kuja kuleta vurugu ili kutugawanya kama Mkisii, tunataka kukataa na kusema ya kwamba sisi tunataka maendeleo Kisii kwa sasa. Tunataka maendeleo kwenda mbele, hata sio miaka 5, tunataka kwenda mbele hata miaka 10, hata miaka 15. Kwa sababu wa Kisii tumewachwa nyuma kwa upande wa maendeleo, kwa sababu sisi tunapenda kujitafutia. Kwa hivyo ninataka niseme wacha wamama wapate nafasi ya hakika ya kujitafutia, wapate a peace loving environment ya kufanya kazi, ya kuuza vyakula vyao, kuuza mboga yao, kuuza kuku yao, kuuza mbuzi yao, ili wapate kujitegemea, wapate kusomesha watoto. Hiyo tu ndio ninaweza kuongea. Asante sana.
Wa mwisho ni
aliyekuwa mbunge wa jinsia katika gatuzi letu la Kisii. Lero ni gotorega no governor ito, former governor ito James Ongwae, in solidarity to say that we want peace in Kisii. It is our time this time to have peace. Unabangina tuabere isuko ya serikali for many years. For this time it is our time. Orio utagete kolenta maandamano haya ase egesa kukio Kisii. Tunamwambia akome. Akome na akome kabisa. Wakati tulimpa tukavumiliana hizi nyakati zote. Umongi no Kisii no yoko irigeri. Yoko nchinge ni chia yoko ndi tunda liaye. We need fruits. We need development in Kisii County. Nande to kwerenerio president wetu bunambu yamo nande mbiyamo aso kwa macho gwekiro ase gasingia nande buna orokiri buno Kisii okorere gasingia keto ko barank aba ntacholire machogorere kanikobo mstari wa mbele, and we hope we'll work together as a team and see that development has come to Kisii County. Iwo mugavana Ongwae naye mbiyamo ase gasigwa korete nere yega ndrete ko kole mirimo boni igana otore nyuma ya serikali bila kujificha, tuko kimacho macho na president wetu William Samoei Ruto. Asante sana.
Thank you very much, members of the Fourth Estate. Thank you very much for coming, and be blessed.
Thank you.
Yeah.